Uttarakhand. In this video, I will show you the easiest way to reach them. Whether you are coming by train, road or air, let's get started. Chopta is a peaceful village in Uttarakhand. From there, you can trek 3.5 kilometers to reach the famous Tungnath Temple, which is the highest Shiva temple in the world. The best time to visit Chopta and Tungnath is during the summer from March to June. You will get clear weather and a great trekking experience. Avoid the monsoon season due to landslides. In winter, it's covered in snow, beautiful but challenging. It is recommended if you want to trek in winters, then it must be under some guidance. Chopta is around 450 kilometers from Delhi by road. The common route is Delhi to Rishikesh, then Rudraprayag, Ukhimat and finally Chopta. You can drive or take a bus to Rishikesh and get a shared taxi from there. If you are traveling by train, get off at Haridwar or Rishikesh. From there, hire a cab or take a bus towards Chopta. It's a long but scenic ride through the mountains. The nearest airport is Jolly Grant Airport in Dehradun. It's about 220 kilometers away from Chopta. After landing, you can hire a taxi to reach Chopta comfortably while enjoying the scenic views. From Chopta, the trek to Tungnath is around 3.5 kilometers. It usually takes 1.5 to 3 hours depending on your pace. The path is paved but steep. Make sure you start early, carry water and wear warm clothes even in summer. So here come few tips. Start your trek early, carry warm clothes, rain gear and enough cash. As such, there are no ATMs or strong mobile signals in Chopta Valley, and avoid trekking during bad weather. So that's how you can reach Chopta and Tungnath. If this guide helped you, please like, share and subscribe for more simple travel videos. Got any question, ask in the comments. Thank you.